How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are finally doing another video. Hopefully things will start catching up. Today I am actually doing somewhat of a review on a camera I'm actually recording on now. I actually got a camera today. It is the Sony DSC-H300. It's actually a pretty damn good camera from what I've seen already. I haven't actually fully recorded a YouTube video. Right now we're using the built-in microphone that is on it. It does not have an external microphone or anything like that. Right now we're actually just using that microphone. I do have a microphone of my own, but I don't have it with me right now. So I don't know how it really sounds, nor do I know how it really looks, so you guys can be the judge of that. I have my phone here, and we're going to be kind of reading off specifications or things about the phone, or not phone, camera. And I need you guys to basically tell me whether you guys think the camera's good, whether you think it's bad. And if there's anything you guys think I should try to record or shoot or do anything with this camera, then just go ahead and let me know. This camera basically it's a 20.1 megapixel. I'm not really that much into cameras. I know it's a DSLR type of camera, I'm pretty sure. So I know when it comes to most video, like if it comes to movie making and stuff like that, a DSLR type of camera isn't good, but I'm pretty sure 20.1 pixels or megapixels is good. It has video footage and subject and scene stabilization, whatever that means. I'm assuming it means if I'm shaking and stuff like that. I have the hiccups now. I'm assuming that makes it more stable and easier to watch. I got this camera actually at Walmart. I was thinking about buying some stuff offline. Like right now I'm on Best Buy's account or something like that. It's the same exact camera, but this I'm on the Best Buy's account. Actually I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now, so let me go to my camera. And now we are switching over to my phone, so this is actually what it's all propped up on. I don't even have my tripod with me right now, but it's actually still recording right this second as we're speaking. So this is actually what the camera looks like, and of course this is what it looks like from behind. That's what I'd be seeing if I was behind the camera. But that right there is actually the camera itself. It's a very pretty camera. It looks very, very nice. Actually, it's just fresh out of the box. So let's go ahead and switch back over to the camera. Okay, we're back to the camera. I've only had this camera for maybe 2 hours now. I haven't really been able to mess with it. I know it does have very amazing zoom. This one has a 40 times zoom on the camera. I was maybe about 6 football fields away from a store that had a very small sign, and I zoomed all the way in on it. I didn't have a memory card in at the moment, so I wasn't recording it. But so far the camera looks good. Now for most people, this is a stupid review. For some people that love cameras, love video type of stuff, this is something for you guys, I guess. With the lighting ordeal, these lights are very bright. They're actually there's another light right here just like it. This right here is the type of lights. Oh, dirty. That's nasty. But these are the type of lights, if you can possibly see this, I don't know how zoomed in it is, but those are the type of lights that are actually hanging above me right now. So they're very light. We got like 3 or 4 of them on right now. Hopefully it looks good. I don't know how I'm going to do in the editing, if I'm going to drop it or not, but so far it might look good. I don't know how zoomed it is on my face. This is literally my very first test with this camera. I've not really recorded anything. I've not recorded a video. I haven't done anything really on it. So a review for this camera, as far as I know, it seems really good. The audio seems alright, because I played the video back that I recorded of my friend just talking or whatever. I could hear him on the camera's microphone that has like the external speakers. I could hear him. It sounded decently good. Don't know how it's going to sound in editing or anything like that, which I can't really do nothing about that. It does come with batteries included and stuff like that, so that's a huge plus. You don't have to buy more batteries unless you run out. So your best bet is to buy rechargeable batteries. You have to have 4 of them, 4 AA's I think it is. It does have more settings. So I'm actually going to grab the camera real quick. I don't know if it's going to make it sound any different. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and please don't mind the garage. It's really messy right now. But we're going to go ahead and like pan around the garage. This is what it looks like when it's moving. Everything is moving. It looks a little choppy just by looking at it on here. We're recording at 720p. As of right now, the camera seems alright. I had a oh crap, what was the camera called? It was a Canon or a Coolplex, actually. I think it was called a Coolplex. Sorry for the sound. It was called a Coolplex Ooh, I don't remember what it's called. I don't have it with me right now. The big red DSLR camera. It looked really good. The quality of the video when you even had it recording, you would just move really fast and everything seemed really smooth. It was really high quality. The only thing that I think might be a problem when it comes to this camera is it seems really choppy. I have not seen any of the video footage pulled onto a computer and watched on a computer, but from the display of the back of the camera as I was panning across throughout here, it seemed very, very choppy. So let's hope it's not like that. So this has kind of been the review type of talk about on the Sony camera. I'm getting close to the lens real quick. It says it's a 30. It says 40 on the box, but it's a 35x optical zoom. That could be right. That could be wrong. I really don't know how everything works on this. I don't even know where the microphone is on this thing. I don't even know where the microphone is on the camera, so I don't know if it's going to sound good, if it sounds better from behind the camera or from in front of the camera. Personally, I think it's a camera that's meant for photography mainly, because the lens does come out far, like this far. It's like a good at least maybe 6 inches to a foot, depending on how far you zoom in. And also it does have other attachments for lenses. It says it's a wide angle lens also, but I mainly think it's meant for photography, but it does have a recording option on it, so this will be my face cam for as many videos as I post, or if I have a face cam in a video, this will be the camera unless my batteries are dead. I'll just use my phone or something. But yeah, this has been a review on the Sony, whatever long ass name it is. I don't remember what it's called, but that's going to be it. It's the Sony camera. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you guys want to buy one of these yourself, it is $179. I did get the 2-year warranty on it for the protection, so that added it up all the way up to like $220 or something like that for this specific camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the like button down below and also subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button to get notified by every time I post a video. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!